Hello and welcome. In today's world, conversations about high-income careers usually revolve around technology or medicine. And yes, software engineers and doctors do earn impressive salaries. But they are far from the only ones. There's an entire universe of professions that generate extraordinary income, yet remain almost invisible to the general public. These are the elite careers hidden inside the legal and financial sectors. Today, we'll explore the little-known but incredibly profitable roles that corporate lawyers, financial strategists, and top-level executives perform every single day. We'll break down why these jobs pay so much, what it takes to enter these professions, and most importantly, how these specialists influence companies, markets, and even stock prices. This video is especially relevant for viewers who are financially oriented, career-driven, and constantly searching for hidden opportunities to grow their income or to improve their investment decisions. 1. High-income legal roles. Some of the highest-earning professionals in the world don't write code and don't work in operating rooms. They write contracts, structure billion-dollar deals, and protect corporations from legal disasters. Let's look at the roles that dominate the legal income charts. Corporate attorneys. Corporate lawyers handle the legal side of running a business. Contracts, risk management, intellectual property, compliance, negotiations, and more. At major corporations and elite law firms, corporate attorneys earn $150,000 to $500,000 per year, with bonuses often pushing incomes even higher. Their value comes from their ability to protect a company from catastrophic financial losses caused by legal missteps. Mergers and acquisitions lawyers, M&A. These are the superstars of the legal world, the lawyers behind billion-dollar takeovers and strategic acquisitions. Their work is intense, extremely technical, and highly sensitive to risk. Top M&A attorneys regularly earn $250,000 to over $1 million per year, depending on the firm and deal size. Compliance and regulatory lawyers. Compliance specialists ensure that companies follow all laws and regulations. In industries such as finance, healthcare, and pharmaceuticals, mistakes can lead to multi-million-dollar penalties. Experienced compliance officers earn $150,000, $300,000 plus, and senior regulatory lawyers earn even more. These professions continue to gain importance as global regulations become stricter every year. 2. High-income corporate finance roles. Now let's shift to the financial world, the engine that keeps corporations alive. These professionals shape business strategies, attract capital, and manage risks that affect entire industries. Chief Financial Officers, CFOs. A CFO is one of the most powerful executives a company has. They control financial strategy, manage investors, oversee corporate budgets, and guide long-term planning. Earnings for CFOs in major companies range from $300,000 to $2,000 plus, not including bonuses, stock options, and performance incentives. Investment bankers. Investment bankers help corporations raise capital, evaluate acquisitions, and structure financial deals. Their job is demanding but extremely rewarding. Income ranges widely, but often reaches $200,000 to $1 million per year at high levels. Financial analysts, especially M&A analysts. Analysts in M&A evaluate businesses, model deal scenarios, and shape corporate decisions. They typically earn $150,000 to $500,000, with senior analysts and associates making even more. 3. Why these jobs pay so much. Let's break down the key reasons behind the massive salaries in these professions. High complexity. These roles require deep legal, financial, and strategic understanding. A single mistake can cost millions, sometimes billions, of dollars. Extreme responsibility. These specialists influence decisions that determine the survival of whole companies. Regulations, contracts, risk management, acquisitions, all rest on their shoulders. Rarity of skills. Becoming a top-level corporate lawyer or financial strategist requires years of education, experience, and constant learning. The talent pool is small, but the demand is enormous. Constantly changing rules. The legal and financial landscapes evolve every year. To stay relevant, professionals must always update their knowledge, which increases their market value. 4. How these roles influence the stock market. From an investor's perspective, strong legal and financial teams are a major competitive advantage. Legal influence on stock prices. M&A lawyers can create massive shareholder value when a merger succeeds. On the other hand, failed deals and legal disputes often lead to stock declines. Compliance and risk management companies with strong compliance teams avoid lawsuits, fines, regulatory blocks, reputational damage. All of these have a direct impact on stock performance, financial strategy, and investor confidence. A skilled CFO strengthens cash flow, capital structure, investor relations, long-term financial planning. This stability typically leads to higher market valuations. 5. What you need to enter these careers. For legal professions, most high-earning lawyers complete JD, Juris Doctor, internships at law firms, certifications in specific legal areas. For finance professions, top financial professionals often hold MBA degrees, experience in investment firms or corporations, certifications like CFA required skills, analytical thinking, risk assessment, negotiation skills, strategic decision-making, strong communication ability to work under pressure. 6. Investors' perspective. How to spot companies with strong legal and financial teams. Investors can use this knowledge to evaluate companies more effectively. Look at leadership review, the backgrounds of CFOs, general counsels, and compliance officers. Strong experience. Check to lower risk for investors. Check transparency. Companies with strict compliance structures tend to face fewer scandals. Analyze M&A activity. Effective acquisition strategy often correlates with strong legal and financial departments. While the world obsesses over technology and medicine, some of the highest-paying careers remain hidden inside law and finance. Corporate lawyers, compliance experts, M&A specialists, CFOs, investment bankers, these professionals shape global markets. Their rare skills, strategic influence, and heavy responsibilities make them incredibly valuable. For ambitious career builders, these paths offer enormous financial potential. For investors, understanding these roles helps identify companies with strong long-term prospects. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of high-income careers and financial strategy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video on how to build wealth, invest, and thrive in the world of finance. Share this video with friends who also want to learn about high-paying careers.